Suffice to note that
Omwana akedde wano bangamba 19 nagala 19 amuleeta teyayogera mbu mulwadde 19 nkomyewo kati bampoleza mbu tebamuleese mbu ali Kigo mbu bamujja Kigo amutwala Luzira mbu mulwadde bagamba ye tebamanyi bulwadde bwalwadde ne babuuza muyisaako kitufe tetumanyi ne bagamba ye tebamanyi owulidde kasi bitegeera nange bigenda mu maaso kubanga waffe yafa tagenda kukomawo nawe tonamusonyiwa tagenda kudda ffe twagala bwenkanya tusooke bakwase kuki fena tufunye obwenkanya nga kukolaki kubanga singa abadde muganda nawe osobola kukkiriza nti baamusente nati tugende musonyiwe osobola kukikkiriza tekisoboka Brian ffe twagala bwenkanya kubanga twagala basale bulungi omusango ate n'ekirala bino empapula z'omugenzi yaremera tuzeetaaga yaziremera balooya bagamba ki tusooke batusonyiwe omugenzi tusonyiwe omusibe batuwe empapula tekigenda kusoboka kuba empapula za mugenzi taziyinako ovunaanyizibwa empapula za kibanja yali ayinayo ebintu bye kati esaawa zino ayagula ayina ekibanja akikozesa tasasudde sente yagala kyeddisa tayagala kusasula sente z'omugenzi zasigalayo zonna naye ng'empapula be baziyina naye ate ng'omusibe yatugamba empapula ye empapula yakkiriza nti empapula genda naye looya kati esaawa zino ye yaziremera musooke tusonyiwe omusibe basale bulungi omusango nga balaba nti nabo basale bulungi omusango basooke bakole ki balabe ekigenda mu maaso tebekubira ludda lumu tebekubira kuba oli muzungu ffe tuli baddugavu omuzungu agenda kudda mu nsi yabwe ffe tusigale mu Uganda abazungu babayisa bulungi neffe abaddugavu batulugunya ku lwaki batulugunya oli gwe batamuddugavu muna Uganda mwana we Uganda ate omuzungu yagenda kudda kera ddeyo mu Islael si wamuno twagala bwenkanya sale bulungi omusango ng'omuzungu agenda kera enkyaddeeyo ffe omuddugavu tusigala mu fa wamugwa Museveni akalulu kuba kyatuyisa bubi bw'ati.
We are treating him, he's getting treatment every day. And the standard medical team of Uganda Prison Service came and attended to him.
We really appreciate
as to why we are not bringing the accused in court. And
so the issue is the transfer, or most importantly, him accessing medical treatment.
Also, we have our medical team that are attending to the accused. Also, the superintendent medical team came and assessed him after court orders had been issued for him to be transferred to Maxwell Bay. They assessed him, and we have his comments in the medical records. Neither do we have his medical records from out when he was out. But as per now, as we talk, we are still managing. Even when we checked on the back, we didn't have those records that he's sick of the back issue. So we can't just refer a patient to a higher medical authority without getting those recommendations from the medical team of Kigo. Those medical records, because always medical records are confidential. Yes,
all right.
So you haven't got any medical documents from outside concerning his illness.
Okay then.
The inmate is not in court today. The first order told us he is at Maxwell Bay. The second order is telling me he is at Kigo. So I would kindly request that the OC Kigo, if he has the inmate, puts it in writing so that we officially know where the inmate is, and for purposes of protection warrants. So do we address it to Kigo or to Maxwell Bay?
Address it to Kigo. The inmate is in Kigo prisons.
Now let Kigo write formally because court issued an order for transfer of the inmate to Makshan Bay. So if the inmate is not in court today, let them tell us officially that they have been.
Nobody shall say.
In the court order. And he would be transferred immediately. The court has had the accused's pleas, and upheld his right to health through making of a court order. But it appears, Your Worship, that the same has been received. In sheer, has been received in sheer contempt. In the premises, Your Worship, before we clog this court with contempt of court proceedings, access medical attention in prison where he is supposed to have his. Otherwise, even before we file a bail application, which he will be normal. Your Worship, I made a formal request for the examination. Like I told court, I do not understand whether it was done or it wasn't done.